Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College.
Standard second, subject mathematics, topic let's measure capacity. Students, today we are going to measure capacity. So let's see what is capacity. Capacity means the maximum amount that something can contain. Children, let's see example how to measure capacity. Children, you can see in picture we have one bucket of water and one glass of water. Children, bucket is bigger than glass. Yes, bucket hold more water than glass. You all can see we have more water in bucket and less water in glass. So, the glass can hold less water than bucket. So the capacity of glass is less than the capacity of bucket. Okay, here the capacity of bucket is more than the capacity of glass because bucket is holding more water than glass. Let's see second example. Yes, children, you all can see we have one glass of water and one cup of water. Now you are going to tell me which one has more capacity to hold water. Yes, you all can see glass is bigger than cup. Your cup is smaller. Correct. So the capacity to hold water is more in glass. Yes. The cup can hold less water than glass. So the capacity of cup is less than capacity of glass. Here the capacity of holding water is more in glass. Okay? Children, let's see the third example. Yes, you all can see we have one jug and one bowl. So we are going to find out which one has more capacity to hold water. Yes, which one will have more capacity? The jug is bigger and the bowl is smaller. Okay, so the capacity to hold water is more in jug than bowl. The jug can hold more water than bowl, so the capacity of jug is more than bowl. Exercise. Now children, we are going to do one exercise. Let's start now. Write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in order of the capacities of the vessel. We are going to put one number in front of the vessel which will hold more water, and we are going to put 5 number which will hold minimum water, that is very less water. Okay, let's start now. Now children, we are going to rank the vessels according to their capacity. So let's start now. First one will be bucket because bucket is bigger. So bucket can hold more water than any other vessels. Okay, so we are going to put one for bucket. Yes, after bucket what will come? Yes, that will be jug. Correct. Jug will hold more water than bowl, cup and glass because jug is bigger than this bowl, cup and glass. So second will be jug. We are going to write it 2 for jug. Okay. Now third, we have to compare in bowl, cup or glasses. Now you are going to tell me which will contain more. The capacity to hold water is more in which? Yes, it will be glass. Correct? Glass is bigger than bowl and cup. So our third number will be for glass. We are going to write 3. Now children, we have bowl and cup. Yes, which one is bigger? Bowl, correct? So bowl is having more capacity than cup. So we are going to write 4 for bowl and at the end 5 for cup. Cup have minimum holding capacity, correct? So we are going to write 5. Thank you. Keep learning and keep smiling.